Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that command line arguments, right? So what is command line arguments? The arguments which we are passing at a runtime. Okay, the arguments which we are passing at runtime is nothing but command line arguments. Okay, to use command line arguments, what we have to use? We have to import from sys import argv. Okay, to use command line arguments, we must and should import argv which is from sys module. That is from sys import argv. So if we import this module, then only we can use command line arguments. Okay, so whenever we are receiving command line arguments, by default argv is of string type, I mean list type. Okay, command line arguments at the time of your receiving is of type list. Okay, next next what we observed, and the arguments which we are receiving from command line, they are every word is string type. Okay, if you observe here, every word is of string type. Okay, next we are adding sum. Okay, by default if you are adding sum, just concatenation will happen. So if you typecast it, then only it is going to add the numbers. Okay, so finally conclusion from the command line arguments. Finally, conclusion from the command line argument is nothing but by default you are reading total arguments from the command prompt is of list type. Okay, is of list type, and in that every word is of string type. Okay, is of every word from the command line arguments which are receiving, they are string type. Okay, now today focus is on output statements. Okay, don't underestimate output statements. Output statements means normally we are printing by using print statement is going to enough, not. Okay, don't underestimate print statements. Okay, so print statement means you think that output statements print print Sai Kumar, print Sai Kumar. Okay, I'm printing Sai Kumar. Okay, now observe here, I'm printing Sai Kumar. Okay, print statement is over. Okay, output statement concept is over. Don't underestimate output concept. There are multiple cases from the output statements. We have to know each and every point. Okay, don't underestimate any concept. Each and every concept is in depth. Okay, until unless you know, don't underestimate any concept. Okay, now observe carefully. Coming to first output statements. Okay, normally output statement means we have to print some information on the console. Okay, to print information on the console we have to use we have to use we have to use print statement. Okay, we have to use a print statement to print information on the console. We have to use a print statement. Okay, print without any argument. Okay, first case is case 1. Okay, print without any argument. Now I'm printing here print without any argument. Okay, now observe here, I'm printing information on the console without any argument. Okay, that means here I'm printing. Okay, directly I'm printing the string. Okay, directly I'm printing the string means there is no anything in the argument. Okay, directly I'm printing. Okay, so this is the one without argument. Okay, this is the one without argument. Point one. No. Okay, next point. Next point will be using escape character. We can use escape characters. Escape characters. We can use escape characters also. That means Sai slash n. Okay, Sai slash n, and next I'm taking print Sai slash T Kumar. Okay, Sai slash T Kumar. Now observe here. First one is slash n means it is giving in the next line. Okay. Second one tab slash T means a tab. Okay. By using escape characters, this is the output. Okay. By using escape characters, this is the output. Okay. Next. Next, you know one point, right? What is that point is print 10 into psi. Okay, 10 into psi means it's going to print the information on the console. How many times? 10 times. Okay, psi, so on. Next, what is this one? Psi will print 10 times. Print 10 times. Next, I'm taking two strings. Sai plus Kumar. Okay, if star operator one is int and next one is a string means it's going to arithmetic operator and Sai is going to print 10 times. Okay, in this case two strings means it is going to add concatenation. Okay, two strings are concatenation. Okay, now observe. Okay, Sai Kumar. So this is the one. Next next point is case 2. Case 2 with the arguments. Okay, with the arguments. Suppose here I'm taking a is equal to 20, b is equal to 30. Okay, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 30. Now I'm doing print the value of a, the value of a comma b is, the value of a comma b is a comma b. Observe here, in the previous case there is no argument for the print statement. Now this one print with the arguments. Print with the variable number of arguments. The variable number of arguments. Print with the variable number of arguments. Now observe here what I am doing. A equal to 20 I have declared, b is equal to 30. Now I am printing the value of a comma b. So the first string I kept in single quotes. Next I'm taking with comma. After that I'm printing a. Next immediately on one more comma and printing b. Okay. Make sure you are printing something information on the console by using print statement. So if you are printing information, that should be in the single quotes. So whatever the information you are printing, that should be in the single quotes. The variable you are passing, which you are passing, that should be separated by comma. Okay, that one should be separated by comma. Okay, make sure every string and variable should be separated by comma. Don't forget this point. Okay, otherwise you are going to get error saying syntax error or something other error. Okay, I will show that case also. Okay, now observe, I am giving in the correct case now. So now the value of a comma b is 20 comma 30. Okay, now value of a is 20 comma 30. So here I want to show one mistake if I am not giving. Suppose here I am not giving comma. Okay, if I am not giving comma means what happens? If you observe here, invalid syntax, perhaps you forgot a comma. Okay, invalid syntax, perhaps you have forgot a comma. Okay, syntax error, invalid syntax. Okay, make sure if you are missing something, it is going to give error in this way. Okay, if you are learning the subject, we have to know the error also sometimes, because error will give you the confidence first. Okay, print with variable number of arguments, and first case and the second case with the error. Okay, where I am giving here I am not giving comma. Okay, I am giving the same thing also. Next string. So assigning the variables. Okay, let me explain assigning the variable. Case 3. Okay, assigning the variable. Actually I have to explain this concept at tuple, but let me will you remember or not? I'm not sure, but just I'm saying, but in future I will explain anyway. One pakka. See, in the previous case, here I'm taking a equal to 20 and b is equal to 30. Okay, if you observe here, first line and the second line, in two lines I'm initializing the variable, but I want to make it into one line. Okay, I want to make it into one line means that there is that way also is possible in Python. So what is that way? A comma b. Okay, a comma b is equals to 20 comma 30. Okay, a comma b is equal to 20 comma 30. So now in this case also we are going to get the same result. Okay, the value of a comma b is 10, 20, 30. Next, so next concept will be, uh, let me explain first. Next I will introduce attribute. See here, I'm taking print. First I'm taking Sai. Next I'm taking print Kumar. Okay, print Sai Kumar. Next I'm printing Chari. Okay, so normally I'm using three lines, but in the three lines I want to use print statement, but not in the different line. Okay, now observe the output first. Okay, if you observe here, first Sai, next Kumar, next Chari. Okay, if you get the requirement in this way, I want to use three print statements, but I don't want to see all are in the different line. Okay, all are not in the different line and all are in same line. Okay, but I want to use still print statement. Okay, to resolve that requirement, we have a concept called end attribute. Okay, end is equal to attribute. Okay, now observe here, end is equal to attribute. Now in this case, see I'm showing in the previous case and present example. So what is the mistake? Here I am not giving comma. Okay, did you remember for every print statement, if string is over, that next one should be separated by comma. Okay, one string or variable or anything is once it is completed, that one should be separated by comma. So otherwise we are going to get syntax error. Okay, make sure, remember carefully. Okay, now if you observe here, Sai Kumar Chari, now both are in the same line. So this one and this one. Okay, print Sai Kumar Chari. Okay, Sai Kumar Chari. Print what? Next star. Just for designing purpose, not any concept. This line. Now observe here, I am running this program. Sai Kumar Chari, Sai Kumar Chari. So there is no any difference in the first one and the second one. Just I am showing here in this way and in this way. But here I am showing that why I am showing this concept means using three print statements in different line, all in the same line. So if you are printing using print statements 3 but you want to represent in the same line means we have to go for the end attribute. Okay, end attribute. Okay, end attribute. Next concept, case 5. Okay, next concept will be case 5. Suppose we observe that data structures, right? I mean list tuple set. So in that we can pass list tuple set dictionary or also arguments to the print statements. Okay, we can pass list set tuple or also we pass as a arguments to the Python. So we can pass list as parameter. Okay, we can pass list set tuple or also pass as an arguments to the Python. Okay, how we can pass means first I'm taking here ls is equal to ls is equal to ls is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Next I'm taking tp is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Okay, let me print 60 comma 70 comma 80. Print ls print tp. I didn't save the program. Okay, I wrote here. Now observe here, I'm running the program. See, first one is the list and the second next one is the tuple. Okay, tuple arguments also we can pass arguments to the print statements. Okay, tuple arguments also we can pass arguments to the print statement. Print statements print statement in Python. We can pass list set tuple are also arguments to the print statement in Python. Okay, next next one will be print with the replacement operator. Okay, print with the replacement operator. Print replacement operator. Print with the replacement operator. Name is equal to Sai Kumar. Salary is equal to 10,000. 10,000 and company is equal to IBM. Assume IBM. Now observe that print with the replacement operator. Okay, print with the replacement operator. How many ways we can print above arguments in the print statement? Okay, first one. Okay, point one. How I'm printing? Print of. Okay, let me write here only direct. Here print name, my name, zero. So first my name is my name is Sai Kumar. My salary is. Okay, my salary is and working in two. Okay, next what I am doing, dot format of name comma salary comma company. Okay, name comma salary comma company. Now observe here, I am now if you observe here, my name is Sai Kumar, my salary is 10,000 and working in IBM. Okay, so this is one way when we are printing by using replacement operator. Okay, but observe the problem also. Let me highlight the problem. First what I am doing, my name is like this, but if I am taking company, next what I am doing, name, here name, salary. Okay, super. Now observe here, is there any meaning? My name is IBM, my salary is Sai Kumar and working in 10,000. Is there any meaning? No, right? So to prevent this problem, when we are printing print statements, we have to go for naming. Okay, if you are going in this way, is there any meaning if you are printing in the information in this way? No, right? So to prevent that problem, we have to go for another way. Okay, that is whenever we are printing information, that time we have to give the naming also. Okay, that how we can give means, first here I'm taking name equal to Sai Kumar, next salary and company IBM. But here what I'm doing is, instead of my name is 0, I will take that X. Okay, X, next Y, next Z, X, Y, Z. Now here what I will do, first name, X is equal to name. Okay, X is equal to name, Y is equal to salary. Okay, Y is equal to salary. Next Z is equal to company. Okay, if I'm going in this way, now it is fine. Now observe the output. My name is Sai Kumar. My salary is 10,000 and working in IBM. Okay, I will tell you in another case also. So now what is the output? This is the one output. So next, suppose now what I am doing is, I'm removing this one and I'm keeping here. Okay, I'm removing this one here. Y equal to salary, Z is equal to company, X is equal to name. Still we are getting the same. Okay, my name is Sai Kumar, my salary is 10,000 and working in IBM. Okay, don't think that I didn't save. If you observe here, I saved the program. Okay, I saved the program. Okay, if you observe in the previous case, if you observe in the previous case, that time we are getting the different information based on you are changing the value. Okay, okay, if you observe here 0 1 2, but if I'm changing the company name salary, that time we are seeing that my name is IBM. Okay, that problem we resolved in this way, right? So this is input and output statements. Okay, what output statements, when we are printing some information on the console, we have to follow these rules. I mean, not rules, but these are the combinations. Okay, don't think that print statements, output statements means printing some information on the console is not going to work out. Okay, we have to know some other things also. Okay, these are the things: case 1, case 2, case 3, and case 4, case 5, and case 6. Okay, thank you friends. If you are having any questions or queries, so please reach out to my uh, email ID in the description, or post your query in the comment section. I will give reply. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching for the channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel.